How to start selling digital products.
And digital products.
Selling digital products.
And sell digital products.
Everyone's talking about digital products right now, but no one's actually showing how to create. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, step by step, using Nano Banana. With it, you can create and sell your own AI coloring books online and turn them into real income in 2025. Let's get started. Go to Google and type Nano Banana Gemini. It's free right now and gives you a few starting credits. Click Try Nano Banana to open the workspace. Now, instead of generating random AI art, we'll make something that actually sells, a kid's coloring book. Type this prompt. Create a 10-page kid's coloring book about a horse. Within seconds, Nano Banana will generate detailed black and white images, perfect for a coloring book. Each page looks professional and print-ready. And if you want an even easier way to create books like this, I've added a custom GPT tool in the description. It helps you generate coloring books directly inside ChatGPT with simple prompts. Now, design your book in Canva. Once your images are ready, download all of them. Then go to canva.com, search Coloring Book Template, and pick a square or any layout. Drag and drop each AI image onto a page. Add a title page and maybe a "This book belongs to kids coloring book." When everything looks clean, click Share and download the PDF. And that's it. Your coloring book is done. Now let's talk about the most important part, how you can actually earn from this. You can upload and sell your coloring books on Etsy as a digital download, no printing needed, or Amazon KDP, where Amazon prints and ships it for you. When someone buys your digital book on Etsy, you get paid automatically. No stock, no packaging, nothing. To get more sales, use ChatGPT to write a perfect product title and description. For example, write an SEO title and description for a kid's coloring book about horses for Etsy. This helps your product appear higher in Etsy search results. Now here's the cool part. People are already making thousands with this. Many Etsy sellers have hundreds of reviews on coloring books like this. If your book sells for $5 and you sell 100 copies a month, that's $500 passive income from one book. Create more books and your income multiplies. You can make different themed books, like animals, cars, space, or dinosaurs. Each one targets a different audience and gives you more chances to sell. So using Nano Banana, Canva, and ChatGPT, you can easily create, design, and sell AI coloring books online without any drawing skills or expensive software. And you can start today with just your laptop or phone. And don't forget, the custom GPT link in the description makes the whole process even simpler. Start creating your own AI coloring book business. And I'll see you in the next one.